Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 11th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of November, 2024, our system has classified Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.84. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 7.98% since we first suggested purchasing Apple 16 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.50% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned in the upper part of a weak rising trend in the short term. This situation may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $248.01 would initially indicate a stronger upward momentum. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 6.39% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 1.52% to positive 7.5%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 36.96% over the next year, with potential returns between 15.84% and 37.82%. This translates to a price range of $285.53 to $339.72 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for Apple. The Apple stock price experienced a decline of approximately 0.517% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 11th of December, 2024. The price fell from $247.77 to $246.49. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.84%, with a low of $246.26 and a high of $250.80. The stock has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 4.86% over the past 2 weeks. Although the trading volume increased by 4 million shares on the last day, this occurred alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning sign that I'm slightly elevating the risk for the next couple of days. In total, 38 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $9.38 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $250.80, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price stands at 1.72%, or $4.31, below the 52-week high of $250.80, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Apple is making significant advancements in the artificial intelligence sector by partnering with Broadcom to develop custom AI server chips. This collaboration represents a crucial step in Apple's strategy to enhance its AI capabilities and lessen its reliance on NVIDIA for chip technology. These developments are expected to positively influence Apple's stock price in both the short and long term, positioning the company to take advantage of the expanding AI market. Additionally, Apple has incorporated OpenAI's ChatGPT into its applications, including Siri, showcasing its dedication to improving user experience through AI enhancements. The strong momentum within the AI space, combined with the recent launch of iOS 18.2, is likely to enhance consumer engagement and drive sales. While these advancements are encouraging, analysts remain cautious regarding Apple's valuation and ongoing challenges in China. Nonetheless, the integration of AI and a robust services segment could propel Apple's shares higher, particularly as investor sentiment stays strong in a market that has recently reached new highs. Overall, these developments reflect a proactive approach by Apple, which is essential for sustaining growth in a competitive technology landscape. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned Apple a grade of outperform with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, UBS reported a neutral grade for Apple along with a hold recommendation. Also on Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, Jefferies rated Apple with a hold grade and a hold action. On Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, KeyBank assigned Apple an underweight grade along with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Apple stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal arising from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there will be support from the levels at $244.65 and $232.12. A drop below either of these points will trigger sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the short-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 10, 2024, with the stock experiencing a decline of 0.517%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored closely. The stock experienced a golden star signal on Wednesday, September 18, 2024, in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a unique formation. This occurrence is quite rare and is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 19 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 12 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 17 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 143 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Apple. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's price, with accumulated volume levels at $232.87 and $228.20. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If that level is breached, the stock may decline further to the next support level. In this instance, if the support at $232.87 is broken, the next support will be found at $228.20 and $224.23. This stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.54, which is an increase of 1.84%. During the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 1.47%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively normal, commonly found in businesses with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.36. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's explore some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Apple is at $246.75. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $232.87. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson conducted an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson conducted another insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 19th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson sold 50,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Chris Kondo conducted an insider sale of 4,130 shares of common stock. On the 5th of November, 2024, Catherine L. Adams conducted an insider sale of 8,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 27.992. In total, insiders purchased 2,065,334 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $240.58, indicating a decline of 2.4%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, which translates to a moderate level of risk. The relative strength index over a 14-day period stands at 90, significantly heightening the risk factor. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Instead, it is advisable to view it as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 12th of December, we anticipate that Apple will open up by $1.36, starting trading at $247.85. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.